is sailing north through a passage. One particular narrow section. A lighthouse is the western shoreline. Directly east is a rock. Captain's boat would like to calculate the exact width of the passage. So let's look at this. Can we apply what we just learned from the Cosine Law to solve this problem? If we consider this to be vertex A, and that to be side A, we don't have a matching pair. If we consider this to be vertex B, and that to be side B, we still won't have a matching pair. And if we consider this to be C, both side C and vertex C, we don't have a matching pair. We still have two sides in one angle, but no matching pairs. So can we apply Cosine Law to solve this problem? So first, you're right, no. It is not a right angle triangle. But we cannot apply Cosine Law because we can't get, or we don't already have, a given matching pair or a given side and corresponding angle. Meaning our matching pairs. When that's the case, we're going to use Cosine Law. I'm just going to give you Cosine Law. So, in triangle, and let's use some color coordinating here. A, B, C, Cosine Law says that side C squared, take the length of side C squared, is going to equal the length of A squared plus B squared, which is like the Pythagorean theorem, but it goes even further, and we're going to take away 2 times A times B, all multiplied by the cosine of angle C. Now, A, B, and C again depends how we label the triangle. So no matter what, the side that we are trying to find, squared, is opposite its angle and the two sides that flank it. So we have in order side, angle, side. So that helps us specifically when is it used. First thing, we're looking for a non-right angle triangle. And we're given one of two situations. We are given 3 sides. We have 1, 2, 3 sides. We would sub everything in and solve and rearrange to get cosine C by itself, and then take cosine -1 from the right and from the left to get our angle. Given 3 sides, so side, side, side. Or, in this example above, 2 sides and the angle in between. Side, angle, side. So if we use that above example, let's go ahead and solve it. So use the same colors as above. We have set A, B, C. But instead of C, I'm going to write the variable x, just so we're used to it. So that's angle C. This is side A, and this is side B. So using this equation, cosine law, just another equation that will be given to you, we just sub in what we know. Alright, so I'll just write the equation here. And let's sub in what we know. C squared, we don't know that. .5. Now there's a lot of things going on. So we're going to start to make this look with smaller numbers, simplify this equation, and then enter it all in our calculator. 4.5 squared. Let's round to 2 decimal places. Really, we would enter it all in our calculator and get one final solution. 4.2 squared. Now, all of this is one large number. But what I'm going to do, because cosine of 26 does not give me a pretty decimal, I'm going to multiply all of that. Negative 2 times 4.5 times 4.2 is negative 37.8. And all of that is going to be times cosine of 26 degrees. Now where you will make a mistake is you'll see all those numbers and you'll add all those together and then you'll multiply it by cosine 26. But only 38.7 is multiplied by cosine 26. So we need to get those two together and that we're going to leave. So 17.64 was 20.25. At this point, I'm not going to put this in my calculator. I don't want to get decimals. I'm just going to do one final answer. So I'm going to take square root of the left side, which means I'm going to take square root of the right side. And really, if I went from this line to this line, that would be absolutely okay. This is showing how I rearranged, and now I'm going to put this right in my calculator. Right? So all of this, I need to show what I call, remember, the load-bearing steps. And then it's only that final line is entered in the calculator. one final solution. Right? And we're going to round accordingly here. So to enter that in the calculator, and I know my calculator, the angle I have to show you here. So with my scientific calculator, I can go 37.89 minus 37.8 cosine 26 degrees. It's going to do it all in order. And now I want to take the square root. I hit the square root button, equals, because of the answer. And I have 1.978. 7837. .978, I round to 1.98. There's my final answer. .98 kilometers wide.